Reverend Chief Guest, Shri A. Naik Sir, Area General Manager, Rajmal Project, Eastern Coalfields Limited, and the Chairman of LMC DAV Public School, ECL Urjanagar. Esteemed Guest of Honor, Srimati Gupta Naik Madam, President, Satakshi Mahila Mandal, Rajmal Branch, Sri Dinesh Sharma ji, GM Operation, SK Surakshit ji, ENM Manager HR, Sanjeev Kumar ji, Civil Manager. All the distinguished dignitaries of ECL management, KCC members, union leaders, bank officials, media personalities, doctors, staff members, parents, and my dear students. As we all know, the midnight of 15th August 1947, which is a pivotal moment in Indian history, as it marks the ending of the British colonial rule and the beginning of India's long-awaited independence, that is Swaraj. The epoch-making incident goes beyond the political emancipation and encompasses the idea of self-reliance, self-discipline, and self-dignity, and empowers our nation with the ability to self-govern, highlighting the lofty ideals of justice, equality, and fraternity. This particular event is not just a historical date, but laying the foundation of our sovereign, socialist, democratic republic, and the culmination of 200-year-long struggle of our great national heroes and freedom fighters for getting their coveted dream fulfilled. As the symbolic birth of our sovereignty, the Indian tricolor, which signifies our glory, dignified and grandeur, fluttered high in the sky for the first time on this auspicious occasion. Since then, this red letter day is celebrated across the length and breadth of our motherland with pomp and show, and remembered with pride and glory as a day of extraordinary accomplishment achieved by the virtue of unparalleled fortitude and indomitable courage and strength of our great revolutionaries. So we all have assembled here to cherish the big moment of celebrating the 79th birth anniversary of the world's greatest democratic republic, and to commemorate the sacrifices of those immortal souls by presenting a number of colorful cultural programs, speeches, parades, march past, and display of physical strength and stamina by the students of our school. Sir, Madam, I would like to relish this opportunity to share with you that in less than 2 years of time, DAV Public School ECL Urjanagar has already started to rise in prominence, not only by maintaining consistent performances in the field of academics, games and sports, and consistent performances in the fields and co-scholastic activities, but also ensuring significant infrastructural development and other important accomplishments for our loving students. First and foremost, we have been blessed with the generous patronage of ECL management, as we have got the MOU between the ECL authority and DAV CMC New Delhi renewed and extended for 15 years. It is undoubtedly a proud moment for all the DAVians. In the CBSE Board Examination 2025, our students of Standard 10 have achieved 100% results, and 10 students among them scored more than 90% and above marks. Again, in Standard 12, Science and Commerce stream, our students have ensured 100% pass rate, and 12 of them scored the benchmark of distinction. Our schools have always displayed dazzling performances in the field of games and sports, and we have successfully maintained this envious track record in the just held DAV Cluster Level Sports Meet 2025, in which 11 DAV institutions from Cluster 7 participated. In this sports event, 135 students of our school won gold medals. 35 students bagged silver and 25 students got bronze medals. It may be noted in this that 174 students from our school have qualified for the next round, that is DAV Zonal Level Sports Meet 2025, which is going to be held in the last week of this month at Dhanbad, Bokaro, Jamshedpur and Ranchi. We have also successfully installed the school's Earth ERP, which is a comprehensive software designed to streamline and automate various aspects of school administration and management of students, information, academic records, financial transactions, effective communications, and many more. Presently, our students are enjoying the privilege of being educated and enriched through smart boards, as these education tools enhance the learning experience by making it more interactive, engaging, and collaborative. Not only that, honorable sirs and madams, we have distinctly renovated and upgraded the computer lab and other science lab which was awaited and expected for a longer period of time. We have thoroughly redesigned and revised the school library, wherein at least 70 students can be conveniently accommodated to have their dedicated learning spaces and easy access to information literacy. We have also set up the Legal Literacy Club, which was an urgent need of the hour and under the guidance of Jharkhand State Legal Services Authority. The aims and objectives of this club are to increase the awareness and understanding of the legal rights and responsibilities among students and through them the wider community. But this is just a humble beginning and we are in no sense complacent at all. On the contrary, we all are focused, keyed up and deeply motivated under your chairmanship and guardianship to stride forward for achieving greater glory in the future. So, we earnestly seek your blessings to shower upon us in our relentless pursuit for truth and excellence, and we look forward to your wholehearted cooperation and moral support towards our everlasting commitment to the noble cause of education. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.